How to change your country or region on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings app, scroll down and navigate to the option general. Scroll down, head over to the option language and region. Click on the option region. Here you're gonna find the list of the countries. Go to the list and select the one that you wanna set for your device. So I'm gonna set as New Zealand. You'll need to click on it. You're gonna get this kind of pop-up if you wanna change the language. Select that. Just with that, your region will be updated on your device. Likewise, next thing you want to do is close this. Launch your App Store. Click on the profile icon given at the top right. Click on your Apple ID given at the very top. Navigate to the option country or region. Now over here, you're going to find the list of the countries. Check in for the one that you want to set for your device. And that's it. You have just updated country on your device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.